Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most popular fitness goals that people have. And that's losing belly fat and getting six-pack abs. If you're someone who's been struggling to achieve this goal, then this video is definitely for you. In this video, we'll be covering some tips and tricks that will help you lose belly fat and get those six-pack abs that you've always wanted. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Eat a balanced diet. The first thing you need to do is to eat a balanced diet. This means that you need to make sure you're eating the right amount of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. When it comes to carbohydrates, focus on eating complex carbohydrates like sweet potatoes, brown rice, and whole grain bread. For protein, make sure you're getting enough from sources like chicken, fish, and eggs. And for fats, focus on healthy fats like those found in nuts, avocados, and olive oil. Tip number 2. Increase your protein intake. One of the keys to losing belly fat and building six-pack abs is to increase your protein intake. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle, which is important if you want to see results. Aim for at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight per day. This means if you weigh pounds, you should be eating at least grams of protein each day. Tip number 3. Do cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular exercise is an essential part of any fat loss plan. It helps you burn calories and can help you lose belly fat. Aim to do at least 3 minutes of cardio exercise per day, 5 days a week. Great cardio exercises include running, cycling, swimming, and jumping rope. Tip number 4. Strength. Train your core muscles. To build six-pack abs, you need to strengthen your core muscles. This includes exercises like crunches, planks, and leg raises. Aim to do these exercises at least 3 times a week, and make sure you're doing them correctly to avoid injury. Tip number 5. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for your overall health, but it's also essential if you want to lose belly fat and build six-pack abs. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more cortisol, which can lead to weight gain and belly fat. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Losing excess body fat can bring numerous benefits to your overall health and well-being, some of which include reduced risk of chronic diseases. Excess body fat has been linked to an increased risk of chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. Losing weight can help reduce the risk of developing these conditions. Improved cardiovascular health. Losing fat can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease and stroke. Better sleep. Excess weight can interfere with sleep quality and cause sleep apnea, which can be improved by weight loss. Increased energy. Losing fat can increase energy levels and improve physical performance, making it easier to perform daily activities and exercise. Improved mood. Losing fat can boost self-esteem, confidence, and overall mood. Exercise and weight loss have also been shown to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Improved joint health. Carrying excess weight can put strain on joints, causing pain and discomfort. Losing weight can reduce the pressure on joints, improving mobility and reducing pain. Increased lifespan. Maintaining a healthy weight has been shown to increase lifespan and reduce the risk of premature death. Overall, losing fat can lead to a variety of physical, mental, and emotional benefits, improving quality of life and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. There you have it, our top tips for losing belly fat and building six-pack abs. Remember, it's important to eat a balanced diet, increase your protein intake, do cardiovascular exercise, strength train your core muscles, and get enough sleep. Increased energy. Losing fat can increase energy levels and improve physical performance, making it easier to perform daily activities and exercise. Improved mood. Losing fat can boost self-esteem, confidence, and overall mood. Exercise and weight loss have also been shown to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Improved joint health. Carrying excess weight can put strain on joints, causing pain and discomfort. Losing weight can reduce the pressure on joints, improving mobility and reducing pain. Increased lifespan. Maintaining a healthy weight has been shown to increase lifespan and reduce the risk of premature death. Overall, losing fat can lead to a variety of physical, mental, and emotional benefits, improving quality of life and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. If you follow these tips consistently, you'll be on your way to achieving your fitness goals in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness videos.